In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a URL to a Google Calendar event, a handy feature that can enhance your event planning and organization. Whether it's a Zoom meeting link, a website, or a Google Doc, being able to add a clickable link ensures that all participants have easy access to the necessary information at the right time. First, open your web browser and head over to calendar.google.com. This is where most of the magic will happen. Once you're on the Google Calendar homepage, locate the Create button, usually situated on the top left side of the screen. Clicking this button will open a new event window where you can input all the details of your meeting or appointment. Now, in the event creation screen, you'll want to enter your event details. This includes everything from the event title, the date and time, to any additional guests you might want to invite. Take your time to fill out this section thoughtfully, as it sets a foundation for a well-organized event. Once you've entered the primary details, scroll down in the event window to locate the description box. This is a versatile space where you can add more context to your event. With the description box in sight, here's where you'll want to copy and paste your URL. This could be a link to a Zoom meeting for virtual gatherings, a document that needs attention, or even an informative website relevant to your event. Simply copy the URL from your browser's address bar and paste it into the description box of your Google Calendar event. The best part about this feature is that Google Calendar automatically recognizes URLs, making them clickable by default, so there's no extra work required on your part. After ensuring the URL is neatly pasted in the description box, the next step is to save your work. You'll see a Save button, usually found at the top or bottom of your event window. Clicking Save not only seals all the information you've entered, but also ensures that the URL is now an active link within your event details. And just like that, the URL is added to your Google Calendar event. Anyone who is invited can now see and click on the link directly within the event details, streamlining coordination and communication. Adding URLs to Google Calendar events can greatly enhance your organizational skills, making event management much more efficient. Remember that these steps can be repeated for any future events you plan to create. Enjoy the convenience and ease of having all your event links just a click away, right within the Google Calendar interface.